YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, Retro gang. It's your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kits coming back at you in the shoebox. Look, I hope everybody enjoying their day to day wherever you are. We appreciate y'all tuning in on this channel. We need y'all to do us a favor. Me and Maddie both. Hit that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video. Leave a comment. Let's interact back and forth. As well as cut your notification bells on so you can get hit over the head with this heat and content. We're going to keep it pushing. So look, that's out the way. See what's going on. Kind of excited before I open this up. Thank you, A Mama Year. This was my Christmas present for myself. I was out there in the back. I was frying 2 chickens. And next thing I know, I checked my email on Christmas now. This is Christmas Day. About 5:45 in the evening, Atlanta time. Boop, info. So, huh? Congratulations. You are the winner of the Off-Whites. Man, let's get ready to it, man. Let's open these things up, man. I don't want y'all to go nowhere. You see what's going on. This is how A Mama Year send the box. They tape it off. Let me have an address real quick. That's how they do it. I'll open these things up together. So y'all can see my expression together. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. As my daughters would say, let's go. All right, this is the box. This is how they treat you. Little box. Let's open this thing up. See, that's what happens when you do it live, man. You got to act like you done been here before. Okay, I ain't gonna tell this box now. I'll be keeping my boxes. Y'all bear with me, gang. Will Retro ever get the box open? I don't know. All right, man. I'm about to say forget this box. The boy getting kind of impatient. Man, y'all gonna fast forward this. I know y'all are, but there we go. Let's get it. Here go the silver box. We're into it. Your boy has some little technical difficulties, but we in there. Paperwork and all. Sheesh. See the glow? Box. Off-white action. Size 12. Don't worry, we're going to hit the wall. I just want to open this up together with y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Woo-wee. I don't see nothing but yellow paper right now. Let me stop playing with y'all. I ain't even pull the paper back. More paper. Come on, y'all. More paper. Here we go. Here we go. Ta-da. Let's go. Don't worry, we're going to get detail on the wall. Size 12, your boy size. Coming up is green. What colorway is coming up? Matter of fact, I showed y'all. Pine green. That's correct. Pine green. We're gonna do a quality control check. We're going to hit this wall, let y'all know what's going on. Get up close and personal. Okay. So y'all don't know, when I say the wall, for everybody that's tuning in to us, that's when we get up close and personal. I'm going to put it on the wall so we can do much as we can a detailed review. All right, gang, let's B-roll to the wall. Let's get it. The wall. All right, YouTube, Retro family, we on the wall. Let's go. So, as you can see on the back, you got the Nike Air on the back. Got the white. Some nice white there, man. Some nice white leather. You got the green, pine green. Well, at the bottom, you got the green, the midsole, the white. I'm zooming in, keeping this camera real close so y'all can see everything detailed as possible. Got the Off-White trademark. Actually say Nike Dunk Low. Some nice quality leather. Now, I thought these shoelaces was orange, but they're like a infrared color. That's for sure. Then they got it like, the reason why I'm zooming in so you can see this right here. You see how they got these lace locks, these holes? They actually got something in here to hold this up. It ain't coming up on camera, but trust me, it's there. We're gonna come around to the toe box. Let's take this inside out here so we can ooh wee. I got to keep these. Man, y'all see this leather? Jesus. Oh, yeah. I might have to keep these, man. Shout out again to Hey Mama Year, man. Got the green Nike check. And that's orange. That tag is orange. I hope that's coming up on your camera. You don't get, do get double laces, because, I mean, it's laced up. And on the laces, it says shoelaces. So we're going to get detailed as possible, man. Let's go ahead. Let's get it, man. Let's go and get detailed as possible. See what's looking on the inside. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see that much as possible. Okay. Tell you right off the bat, this tongue is some good leather. I can see that. Some good leather. Of course, you got the off-white tongue, the way they have it split. The way Virgil have it split. Nike. I don't know. Y'all leave a comment, man. Tell me which color what you would have went for. Green was my favorite color. I do like the red pair. I'm not going to hold y'all up. I do like the red pair. Of course, you got the classic off-white. Let me show y'all this right here. Okay. The box is dope too, man. The box is like a mirror box. The reason why I ain't got it behind me because it's showing a reflection of everything. But the box is dope. Just the other shoe real quick. I can see this good leather, what I'm talking about. You almost can see the bulging in this one to kind of let you know how they got this lace lock in here. I can kind of feel it. It's like a little V shape going down in here. Once again, let's go ahead, man. We got laces on the orange ones. If I didn't, I mean, I keep saying orange, but it's like a infrared. And then right at the top, you got these green lace tips, which are flexible. Look at that. Told y'all we're going to get detail. Let's go. We're going to pop this one open. Pretty much the same. Man, they killed me how they choked these laces, man. Man, I'll never rock my shoes like this, man. Unloosen these laces, Nike. Come on, man. Let's see what they got to keep it. We're going to check the leather on this one. Oh, yeah. That's what you call that, bounce back. Come on, man. When it come up by itself, God, especially right around this toe box. God, you can see it just move. Oh, my goodness. Now, hold up. Y'all can see what's going on now. Yep. This pair will stay in the shoebox. Do not ask. No retro pass for this. Hey, speaking of retro passes, let me explain real quick. Told you my videos be different. That's why you got to keep watching the videos the whole way. Retro passes is basically what I'm going to be doing my giveaways and my raffles. My brother is working on the logo. When y'all see that retro pass on IG, or if I do a thumbnail retro pass, watch the video, man. Trust me, you don't want to miss a giveaway. Possibly for free. We're going to do, I said we was going to do this 12 months out the year. We're going to try to do 12 giveaways. I will have a pair of off-whites in the giveaways this year like I did last year. So, you know, let's network. Let's get it. You know what your boy say around here, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Sheesh. Man, y'all enjoy y'all day, man. There's still a whole lot of gang. Retro Mafia. Man, we up next. All the way up. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah. Let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. No Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah. Cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile them up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If he scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel, was full of content. Matty kicks will sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam. Double strong, mighty they stand. 90 lines in the 80, the man. Pull up in the old school. Better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the peeps. That brother paying his dues. Getting blessed by the best. So how could he lose? Drip gang,
Follow the drip.
retro gang, and Matty Kick. We been in it, man. Drip gang,
Follow the drip.
retro gang, and Matty Kick. We been in it.